What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So guys, I got something. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while, and I never did it because, quite frankly, I never had the money to dump on this. But I found it for a really good deal over Christmas, and I couldn't pass it up. So what we got is these rock lights. They are ones I got from Napa. They are you can change a color. They're controlled by Bluetooth, all that kind of fun stuff. So here, wireless Bluetooth connection, Apple and Android, multiple color and flash controls, color change with music, rhythm mode, on-off timer function. So these are pretty cool. Normally these were like 350 bucks. I actually got them on for a good deal for 99 bucks. So I thought it was a pretty good deal. So we are going to put them on here. It might be a little bit of a pain to get down in the wheel wells here and drill up into the fenders to attach them, but I believe that's actually going to be the hardest part of the whole thing. I actually had plugged it in earlier just to test them out, but everything's working great. I got the app on my phone. I'll show you guys how that works and everything once I have them installed. So I'm going to put you guys on fast forward, and we are going to get these things installed. So guys, we have wrapped up the rock lights. I have the truck outside of the shop now. It is almost dark, not quite dark, but so I'm gonna show you everything that we did to it. I do have them on right now. Let me show you guys this. I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. You can see the one up there. Right now they're just changing color, as you can see. The back ones I did put up there, so there is the bolts holding them in are up inside the bed. So yeah, that is where I put them. I'm pretty happy. It's pretty cool. Let me show you the app here. So here's the app. If this thing will focus. Turn them off. What's the deal? See, now they're off. Turn them back on. Change the color to blue. There you go. Change it to red, purple, green, white. So yeah, there's pretty much an infinite amount of color options here. Pretty happy. You have music mode, then you can have 7-color jump. You can change the speed, the brightness. Whoops, here. Change how bright it is. So you can change it just to single color or tricolor jump. Turn the speed up or down. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. They're not quite as bright as I was wanting, but they're still pretty good. So yeah, And here are the ones I got. They were Napa. Well, let me flip it around so it's not upside down. Perfect editions from Napa. I actually did not know that Napa had anything like this. So, yeah, that is going to wrap up putting rock lights. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was kind of a fun, not so much a performance mod, but a mod that I kind of thought was cool. These, I don't know if I said before, but these were, normally they're like 350 bucks. They were on sale for 99 bucks. So quite a bit of a discount there. So, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button. If you're new around here, make sure to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Drop a comment below if you think that the rock lights are cool. If you don't think they're cool, that's fine. I don't really care what you think. But, yeah, hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next video.